Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's holiday, so I'll be making this simple fried rice and chicken. First, I'll start by seasoning the chicken. I have here thyme, chicken seasoning, curry, Nigerian curry, and seasoning cube, then salt. I'll transfer to the gas burner and cook for 20 minutes. So for the vegetables, I'll be using green beans, carrots, and green pepper. I'm really keeping it simple. Then part of the green pepper, I blended it. I'll use it in cooking the rice. Chopped onions and garlic. In here I have 3 cups of rice, which I'll wash and parboil. The meat after 20 minutes is soft. In here is my parboiled rice, which is ready, meat stock, and the meat which I'll grill in the oven. To cook the rice further, I'll pour in the blended green pepper. Seasoning cube 2. Then the meat stock. Add curry, Cameroon pepper, chicken seasoning, salt to taste. Then stir everything to combine and allow to cook. To saute the vegetable, just add little vegetable oil in the pot. In here I have onions, garlic, green beans, the green pepper, Cameroon pepper, curry, chicken seasoning, just stir for 2 minutes, not too long. Seasoning cube, then carrot last. It's ready. Now mix the rice cooked in stock with the vegetables. Stir all together till it's well combined. Let your gas be on low heat. This is all ready. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if this is your first time here. Like this video. That's the grilled meat. Thank you for watching.